Welcome to EarnYourTrip.com. The Burj Khalifa is one of the most iconic structures in the world. The building stands at 828 meters and is currently the tallest manufactured structure in the world. It was designed by Adrian Smith and Skidmore, Owings and Merrill Architecture, who was awarded a RIBA National Award for their work on this project. Skidmore, Owings and Merrill built it as part of a joint venture with Dubai Holding, which funded it for $1.5 billion United States dollars. The Dubai Fountain is a choreographed fountain system located on the 12-hectare, 30 acres, man-made Burj Khalifa Lake at the center of the downtown Dubai development in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It was designed by Wet Design, a California-based company also responsible for the fountains at the Bellagio Hotel Lake in Las Vegas. Illuminated by 6,600 lights and 51 colored projectors, it is 275 meters, 902 feet long. It shoots water up to 500 feet, 152.4 meters, into the air, accompanied by a range of classical to contemporary Arabic and world music. 2. It was built at 800 million United Arab Emirates dirhams, 218 United States dollars million. The fountain's name was chosen after a contest organized by the developer Emaar Properties, which was announced on the 26th of October 2008. 3. Testing of the fountain began in February 2009. 4. And the fountain was officially inaugurated on the 8th of May 2009 along with the official opening ceremony of the Dubai Mall. The Dubai fireworks on the Burj Khalifa Tower is a top-rated event, attracting more than 1 million visitors annually. It's also one of the most expensive fireworks displays in the world, with an estimated cost of $2.5 million per minute. Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa Tower will light up in a dazzling display of lights and colors to celebrate this year's Ramadan season on Wednesday evening, June 20th, at 8 p.m., marking the beginning of Eid al-Fitr.